I subscribe to the channel.
Watch this. And I bet you it'll grow back. And it came back 10 times better. So this is your friendly reminder that if you need to start over, you can.
Don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give up on you. Don't you ever give up on your dreams, because no matter what, if it is meant for you, it will not miss you.
Just because you're going through a bad time right now doesn't mean you're not going to get a great ending. Just because things are slow and nothing's moving and it's failure after failure does not define how your entire life is going to go.
My favorite quote is, "If not now, then when?" Because as a woman, I believe age does not define us. It's not tomorrow, it's not yesterday, but it's now. The time is now.
You have the option to change your life every single day.
You didn't try, and you didn't try hard enough. Try again, try again, try again until you get there.
You messed up this week? You didn't get anything done? Go again tomorrow. Get up again tomorrow.
Awesome, thank you. Guys, I was just talking to that worker after this oil change, changing the oil in my car. And I asked him, I'm like, "Are you having a good day?" I'm like, "How are you today?" And he was like, "Just making it. I want the day to be done already," he told me. I'm like, whoa, you want the day to be done already? Interesting. Most people on this planet give answers like that. They're like, meh, good, I just want to go home. When, did you know you can create your reality? Did you know that you don't have to live like that? Did you know that you are putting yourself in your own misery every single day? If you're working a job that you hate, you're clocking in and clocking out, and it doesn't align with, you know, who you are and who you want to be, you don't have to be like that. You are trapping yourself in this infinity loop of working a job that you hate and living a life that you don't like, clocking in, clocking out, going to school, whatever. And you're putting yourself in your own misery. And most people don't understand you can break out of that cycle, and it starts with you assuming responsibility. Why are you blaming your bad day on other people? Why are you blaming your bad day on the customers? Why are you blaming your bad day on everything but yourself? The second I took responsibility over my life was the second that I escaped this mental loop of self-sabotage. The power in knowing that you create your reality, the power in knowing that you could quit your job any second, you could start that business, become a content creator, make money online from nothing, literally nothing, manifest money from nothing by simply taking accountability over your life. It is frustrating walking around and seeing everyone hate their life. Say, hey, it's okay, I'm making it, I'm barely making it. It's a day. What about it's a freaking amazing day? What about having energy around your day? And if you don't have energy around your day or your job or what you do in your life, change it. Because who is forcing you to stay the same? Yourself. It's embarrassing. It is truly embarrassing by how many people hate their lives. How many people are saying, it's okay. You're stuck in complacency. And that's where the devil lives, is complacency. You're stuck in this loop where you are complacent, where you don't like your life, but it's not painful enough for you to change, and that's where the devil wants you to sit. It's mediocre, it's okay. You're ungrateful if you want change. But you'll never change unless you go seek hardships. You'll never change unless you tell yourself you have to do hard things to make a change. You have to break out of this loop.
Being friends with someone who is jealous of you, whether it's a man or a woman, it'll never work. Because in the beginning, everything feels normal. They admire you, they hype you up, they talk about how inspired they are by you. They love your confidence, your ambition, your style, your work ethic, your shine. But admiration has a short shelf life when someone hasn't built their own identity or done their own inner work. Slowly, they start to mimic you. They copy the way you dress, the way you talk, the things you like, the moves you make. They want the life you have without the grind mindset or the sacrifices that it took to get there. And when they realize they can't effortlessly be you, that's when the jealousy kicks in. Because it's not your clothes, your beauty, or your success that bothers them. It's the fact that you do it naturally. You walk in rooms and own them without trying. You elevate without announcing it. You reinvent yourself without asking for permission. And that triggers people who haven't found themselves. A jealous friend, male or female, is dangerous because the envy doesn't show up loudly. It shows up in subtle competition, backhanded compliments, weird energy, and sudden distance when you win. They'll celebrate you publicly, but resent you privately. So protect your energy. Pay attention.
I think my problem is I just be like doing shit and going. I post and go. I don't like stay back to see what people said or who watched it or, you know, things like that because I don't give a fuck. I'm the entertainment.
I subscribe to the channel.